for tonight, Miss Celine Lebario.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the dark. Now I can't
Good evening, everyone. This is a very wonderful and enchanting evening. Everybody is looking beautiful and handsome on their elegant suit and dresses.
Yes, my dear, they look really awesome tonight. Okay, we are extremely delighted that we all here, to despite of this hot weather today, friends and relatives, welcome to the most important milestones in Kabunuan and Dimaanos lives. I am Rosel, and of course,
I am Celine, your host for this evening.
Sorry for that.
We would like to say, huwag na nating patagalin to. Let's get program started!